Exhale, push them out. Let them drop down. Left over right. Just breathe naturally as you circle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And let the hands drop. And we'll continue on. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our white tiger, Tibetan Llama Palm. It's the first burning palm, but before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thanks again, and have a great day.
Tibetan Llama Palm, the first Tibetan Llama Palm. It's another burning palm. This greatly enhances your iron palm as well as your healing capabilities also. So we start as in the previous palm, both palms up, right hand on top of left. 3 breaths to start. There's only 2 percentage breaths here, 90 and 30. When you finish that, you complete it, just hold this pose. 3 minutes for beginners, 5 minutes for advanced. So 3 breaths to start. First breath, full breath in. Exhale 90%. Full breath in and out. Full breath in. Exhale 30%. Full breath in and out. So from this point, hold the pose, breathe naturally, 3 minutes for beginners, 5 minutes for advanced. Okay, moving into the exercise. We're going to draw the hands up along the conception vessel, and we're going to push them out, palm in front of palm. You're going to let the hands drop down. My left hand is over my right. And it doesn't matter which way you circle. 1 palm is coming in and 1 palm is going out. So you do 3 reps. That's 1, 2, and 3. Let the hands fall, and we're just going to repeat this. 3 minutes for beginners, 5 minutes for advanced. Inhale up. Exhale, push them out. Let them drop down. Left over right. Just breathe naturally as you circle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And let the hands drop. And we'll continue on. And 1 more. Remember, 3 minutes for beginners, 5 minutes for advanced. When you're done, just let the hands relax by your side. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button,
Please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.